that thing. So we will be like, I hope so that we will cover this chapter in the class itself. Abdul, I didn't get your syllabus. I've told you to share the syllabus. Have you done that?
Oh, no, sir.
Why? Dear, I need the syllabus, midterm syllabus, so that I can get the idea which chapters are coming to you, like in your midterms, so that I can like tell you what chapter should you do, like which chapter shall we start in the next class, because polynomial is about to end. And the coming classes, I will be starting the lines and angles. After that, I need like only one chapter will be left of the Simrat syllabus will be triangles, right, Simrat?
Yes.
Yeah. So that's why I need the syllabus, because I need some of the chapters which are common to both of you. Because there must be some of the chapters which are common to both of you, right? So that's why I'm asking about it, dear. Okay.
Sir, I'll
Can
send
you, yeah, please after this class send it to me, like send it to on the official number, or you can, if you have any reference right now, you can tell me in the class itself. I will write it down.
Thanks.
If you have any reference. So let's start with the next identity, everybody. So let's start with the next identity. So everybody will be having an assessment after this class, okay? So Abdul, have you got the credentials of the app?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So have you downloaded that?
Sir, I'll download.
Yeah. So because Abdul, like right now you are attending the class with mobile or laptop?
Mobile, sir.
Mobile. So if you want, like there are two options to attempt that test. Either you can attempt that test with the you can say the mobile or the laptop. If you have laptop, you can do the same with the laptop as well. So in the when you open the app, there is a class assessment tab in which you will get the class assessment. After the class, there will be a 5 questions assessment in which you have to solve the MCQs. Clear. So
Clear,
half an hour will be allotted to you to solve that questions. Clear. So
Clear.
let's understand, not x square, it's x plus y. This is our fifth identity of square identity. Okay, x square. So it is x square plus y square plus z square. Okay, plus 2 into xy yz plus and zx. I can prove it to you, but prove it is, I don't think so that proof is there in your syllabus. So that's why I don't want to waste any time on this. So that's why I've written it directly. Clear? Is that clear to anybody? Everybody?
Yes.
Any doubt in this?
No.
Okay. So just give me a second. Let me paste a question, and I will explain that thing to you in the with the help of the question, so that you can understand it better. Okay. Just a second. So Abdul, do you understand? Can you understand? Like, do you understand Hindi language?
Yes,
I
sir,
think
of course.
yeah, I think some like Afghanistan. In Afghanistan, Hindi language is also spoken. Like some
Yeah.
not proper Hindi, but a little bit.
Sir, you talk, I will understand.
No, I will talk in English. No, I was just asking. Like, I was just curious about it, like whether you can speak or not. Okay, that's great. If you know Hindi, that's a very good thing, and Urdu as well. So let's start with the thing. So it's the question here, dear. Everybody, clear?
Yeah.
Abdul and Simrat, any doubt?
No, sir.
No.
Sure. So in this thing, you can see that question is given in the form of 3a, 4b, and 5c, which means that coefficient is multiplied with the variable, right or wrong?
Yes.
Yes, now.
Right.
So if I compare this thing with this, so what is the value of x in this term? Abdul, Simran, tell me, what is the value of x?
Three.
Only 3.
Sir, 3a plus 4b plus 5c?
No. Only 3a. Compare
3A.
this thing. 3a is equals to x or not in the
Yes, sir.
formula.
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yeah.
Y is
Y
equals
is
to
sir
4b.
4B.
Z
Z
equals
is
to
equal to
5c.
5C.
Clear?
Clear, sir.
Apply the formula here. What is the formula? X plus y
X plus
plus
Y
z
plus
whole
Z.
square equals to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2 into x into y plus y into z plus z into x. Clear? Just put the value here. What is the value of x? Which is 3a square plus value of y is 4b square. Value of z is 5c square
C square.
plus 2 into x into y. X into y. 3a
3
into
4
4b plus 4b into 5c
5C.
plus 3a into 5c. Clear?
Clear.
3a square. What is the value of 3a square? Expand it. What will it become? 9a square, na?
3.
9a square. Squaring. Square is there. Clear?
Yeah.
Plus 4b square. 16b square will be
Square.
plus 5c square whole square. 5c whole square. 25c square.
25C, sir.
25c square here. Whole
Yeah,
square.
C square.
It's a whole square. Okay. Plus 2 will be remain as it is. Bracket 3 4s are 12. A into b, which means 12ab. Plus
12AB plus
4 5s are 20. 20 bc.
BC.
Plus 3 5s are 15.
15
AC.
AC.
Multiply this 2 with it. This will be remain as it is. 9a square 16b square plus 25c square plus 2 4 12. 2 into 12 24
24, sir.
AB. 2 into 20 40
40
BC. 2 into
2
15
into
30 AC.
BC.
So that's
AC.
your answer.
Yeah.
Clear?
Clear, sir.
Have you got my point?
Yes, sir.
Sure? Any doubt in it?
No, sir.
Okay. So let's take one more example. Because this, okay, dear, one more thing. These identities are very, like you can say, very important. You will get a 3-marker or a 5-marker question from it. So please practice as much as possible. That's why I'm taking more question. You can see that in the theory itself, there is no theory na, in the class, in the previous class, and then in this class as well. I'm only taking the numericals. Why? Because this topic is totally based on numericals.
Yes.
Okay. So please, you can say like, please practice as much as possible. I will share some of the questions after this class as well. But after, like, apart from those questions, you have to solve some of the question like Simrat has which one? Simrat, what's your book name? My Guide. What's the name of that book? I just forgot it.
All in one.
All in one. So Abdul, do you follow any book apart from NCERT like R.S. Agarwal, R.D. Sharma, or any other book?
Which one, sir? Can you say the name?
I'm saying like any other reference book apart from NCERT.
No, sir.
Because you have standard mathematics, so you need at least to follow one book, either R.D. Sharma or R.S. Agarwal, because some of the like 1 to 2 questions will be there from the RD or either RS. Like concept will be same. Concept is not different from NCERT. The concept we are learning in the class will be as it is. It will be applied as it is. Just the standard of the question will be a little bit good, you can say. These are very straightforward, right? But in that thing, I will be taking some outsourced question as well after this class. Don't worry about it. But apart from it, you have to do some of the questions from RD as well. Simrat has all-in-one book, which is a kind of like good. I don't know, like I like all-in-one. Okay, got it. All-in-one. So that's a good book as well for the practice. So Abdul, dear, you can also either purchase a book of RD or RS. Clear?
Okay.
Or if you have already, so that's a good thing as well. Or you can take any other book which is like which you think like that it's a good book. Okay,
Okay.
let's take the thing. Now tell me, can I write this formula as 4a minus 2b minus 3c whole square equals to like this? 4a will be as it is plus minus 2b plus minus 3c whole square. Yes or no? Can I write this in it way? Yes or no? Because I have written this thing like this way because I have to compare the values in this formula. Plus is given in the formula. So that's why I need plus. If I take the negative side inside the bracket, the plus will appear here because plus minus will be what? Minus or plus?
Minus.
Minus. That's why I've taken the negative in the bracket so that if I open the bracket, it will remain same. I'm not changing anything. I'm not modifying it. I'm just taking the negative sign in the bracket so that I can place a positive sign outside the bracket. Clear?
Clear.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Sure?
Sure.
Okay. So just now tell me, what is the value of x here?
Sir, 4a.
Yes, Abdullah.
4a.
Answer, brother. 4a. Very good. What is the value of y here?
2b.
Minus 2b.
Minus 2b.
Minus 2b.
Very
Yeah.
good. Z
Minus 3c.
Minus 3c.
minus 3c.
Same.
Now you have got the value. What you need to do? Just write down the formula, which is x plus y plus z whole square, which is x square plus y square plus
Z square.
z square plus 2 into xy plus yz. I'm writing again and again because I want that you should memorize this formula in the class itself. Okay, you don't have to put extra efforts to memorize it. That's why I'm writing again and again so that you can memorize, and that will come to like in front of your eyes very frequently so that it will be in your eyes, in your mind, sit in the mind. So what is the value of x?
4a.
Very good.
4a
4a.
whole
4a whole square. What is the value of y? Minus 2b.
2b whole square.
Minus 2b.
Yeah.
Minus
Plus minus 3c whole square
Whole
plus
square.
2 into 4a into minus 2b plus what is the value of minus 2b into minus 3c. Clear? Plus I'm writing all this negative thing in the bracket because so that I don't get confused. Like after all the calculation, I will remove the bracket. After that, I will be able to identify whether it's positive or negative. Because if I take directly this, so this will be a little bit confusing about it. So that's why I'm taking the bracket. So to be very precautious. So you should also take brackets while you are solving the negative and positive simultaneously. Clear? That's why I'm writing it. Clear?
Clear, sir.
Yes.
Very good. 4a into minus 3c. Bracket close. Clear? 4a square. 4a whole square. What's the value of 4a whole square?
16a.
16?
Yes, sir.
16 what?
16.
16a.
A 16a.
16a.
16a square.
16a square. Whole square is 4a whole square. It will be 16a square, dear. Why is it why are you confused? Like still, oh, dear, if I'm taking the bracket to I'm taking a square on a bracket, so it means that it is multiplied, it is distributed to all the factors which is present inside the bracket. So 4 square will be there and a square will be there. Clear?
Clear.
Yes.
Plus value of minus 2b whole square. Positive or
Minus
negative?
4b.
Positive.
What positive? Give me the proper answer.
Sir, minus 4b.
Okay, Abdul said minus 4b. Simrat, what's your answer?
Positive 4b.
Positive
4b.
4b. Where will square go of the b?
positive 4b square.
B is also there in the bracket. I've told you that square will be distributed to all the factors, all the variable, whether it's constant or variable.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Now tell me, if I've told you that thing is AM into NM. Can I write this AM to the power N? Simrat, I've told you in the number system this thing. So if something is written like this way, minus 2 square into minus B positive B square equals to minus 2B whole square. So why are you saying everywhere, Abdul and Simrat, why do you say that it's only 4B? B square is there, na?
Yes.
Sir,
Got
I
it?
said 4b square.
Okay, Abdul said 4B square. So Simrat, have you got this?
Yes.
Any doubt in it?
No.
Sure?
Yes.
Okay, 4B square.
4b square, sir.
Now next thing, is it positive or negative? Tell me.
Negative.
Positive 3c
Sorry,
square.
Positive
3c square.
9c square.
9C square.
9c square.
Dear, if you do these silly mistake, like you are going to lose many of the marks in the, like you can say, the calculations. Like if the question is of 3 marker, you are going to lose the 2 marks in it because your whole calculation will be wrong after this. Only you will get 1 marks for this formula and this thing. What you will do, like if you are attempting a 3 marker and you are getting 1 mark only, what is the need of attempting it? Tell me. Is there any benefit of it? If you are doing such silly mistakes?
No.
No, na?
No.
So you are losing 2 marks for just easy question. So please answer with a very open mind. Don't be in a hurry. I'm not saying that I'm giving you 3 seconds only to answer. I give you enough time to think and then speak. Okay? Everybody, clear? Plus 2 into 4 into minus 2a. 4a into minus 2b. What will be the answer here? Everybody?
Sir, oh, sorry, I was mute. For
8ab.
8
Simrat said 8ab. What's your answer, Abdul?
8ab, sir. Same.
8ab. Where this will minus go? Positive into negative. What will be the value? Negative or positive? Yes, everybody. Simrat, where will it go? Negative sign. Simrat, where will the
Yes.
negative sign go if this is positive and negative getting multiplied? Abdul? Abdul?
Minus. It will go positive.
So why did you say that? Why did you say that it will be 8ab instead of minus 8ab?
Minus 8ab.
8ab.
No, Abdul, you said 8ab. I was just
Minus
confirmed.
8ab now.
So I've told you that that's not good. Please be attentive in the class. Don't be hurrying while answering. Eight, 4 into 2, 8, and negative sign will be positive into negative. Negative. 8ab. Now tell me what's the value of this thing?
Minus 6 BC.
Okay, Simrat said minus 6 BC. Abdul,
Yes, sir.
what's the value of this factor?
6 BC.
6
And
BC.
6
Positive or
BC.
negative?
Positive.
Positive. Why?
Because
Because
minus
negative into negative is positive.
So Simrat, why did you say negative B 6 BC?
I thought it is positive. That's why I wrote positive.
That's very bad. Like, I'm not impressed. Very bad. Okay, next thing. Tell me what's the value of this?
Which one, sir? Can you say?
This one. 4a into minus 3c.
Sir,
Minus 12 AC.
minus 12 AC.
Minus 12ac. Very good. Clear? Just multiply the 2 with it. 16a square plus 4b square plus 9c square minus 2 into 8. Minus 8 into 2. What will it become?
Minus 8 into 2. Sir, 16.
What 16? Positive or negative?
Minus 16.
So address properly, dear. Okay.
Yeah.
When you are answering now, when you are writing the question or when you are giving any step, so be proper, like mention the proper sign, whether it's positive or negative. Clear? 2 into
Okay.
6, 2 into 6,
12 BC.
12 BC. 2 into 12,
24 AC.
24
Negative
AC.
24 AC.
Negative 24 AC. Very good. That's your answer. Clear? Any
Clear.
doubt in this?
No.
Okay, so let's take last question and I will give you 2 minutes to solve this. Okay.
Okay.
And it's your job to identify the things. And I've solved 3 questions in front of you of the same type. It's opposite type. Like in the thing, the questions we have expanded the thing. Yes or no? But in this question, the expanded term is given. You have to shrink it. Like I've done that thing na, in the is a plus b whole square one. But it's a 3 variable. You will apply the formula of this. Factorize this thing. You have to write this formula in this manner. You have to write this whole term in this manner. Find out. I'm giving you 3 minutes. Okay. Clear? Is everybody done? Any answer from your sides, dear?
Sir, just wait some time.
Okay. Okay. Now just please be honest with me, Simrat and Abdul. I want proper, like honest answer. Like I don't want any kind of flattering answer. Are you able to understand me what I'm trying to tell you in the questions here? Please be honest with me.
Yes, sir.
Do you understand what I'm trying to say and how I am going to represent each and every term?
Yes, sir.
So, dear, why do you make such silly mistakes here? Like Simrat and Abdul, like I'm telling to both of you, like plus minus mistakes are like not expected from the 9th class students. Like I'm not saying like of course students make mistake, but plus minus sign mistakes are very silly mistakes. And if you do this thing, your whole calculation will be wrong. If you're going to attempt this 5 marker, now you will get only 1. So will it be good? Yes, Simran?
No.
Simran?
I didn't say anything.
Okay. So will it be good like if you get 1 out of 5 in the question?
No, sir.
No?
Sir,
You will like
we are saying in hurry, so that's why. After that, we are saying the correct.
that's the thing, na dear. You are writing the exam which comes to your mind in first. Yes or no? Like you right now, you are saying to me, oh, it's okay. But in the exam, you will write the thing which comes to your mind first, and that's a wrong thing. If the wrong thing comes to your mind, what will you do? Will you think again like it's written right or wrong? You will just you are in the flow, so you'll write the answer continuously. Like I was also a student, so I know the mentality. Clear? Okay.
Yes.
So
Okay.
please try to a little bit more patience and more cautious while giving the answers, because plus minus mistake can change you the whole, like can change the whole answer. Clear? Do it,
Yes.
do it fast, and we have to cover the cube formula as well, dear. Because cubic identities are also left in the, like they are very less, like only 3 identities are there of cubic. So but like the questions on based on that are very good, so I need to just more extra time on it. Okay, so covered, do that thing a little bit early, so that we can. So how, so Simran and Abdul, how's the preparation going on, both of you, for the exams? Any?
Not bad, sir.
Not great. Okay, so Abdul, you have to put some extra effort, because like you have joined the class, just that's your second class, right? And Simrat, the syllabus is already like almost covered. Only 2 chapters are left. 5 chapters have been completed of Simrat. So you have to put some extra effort here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, like you are a sharp student, like Simrat is also a sharp student, so you have to put some extra efforts here. Okay, both of you. So Simrat, your
Okay.
syllabus is already like almost covered, only 2 chapters are left, so you have to practice much more and more. Okay, like as your exams are coming right now around the corner only. Okay,
I'm confused in this question.
in this you are confused. It's a very easy one. I've told you, just compare the thing xa, like in this formula x is given, so take a as the variable in which you are going to store that thing.
Okay.
Take a as the variable in this, like in this Simran, in this thing we have taken x now to store this thing, because a is given in the question. Like in this question x is given, so you can take a and compare this thing. What is the value of, how you can write 4x square in the x square whole square formula? Simple thing. Okay, so it's already 6 minutes. Like we cannot spare much time, so let me solve it to you. Okay, so
Sir, just I'm writing, calculating. I'm
okay, you calculate. Just let me write the question here.
okay.
4x square plus y square plus z square minus 4xy minus 2yz plus 4xz. Clear? Okay.
Yes.
Now, can I write this thing in this manner, like 4x square as 2x whole square plus y whole square plus z whole square minus, not let's take minus common from these terms. Everything is in minus, yes or no? Like only this is positive. If I take minus common here, or okay, don't take minus common, just take positive. Only take 2 common here, 2 common. So in this term, what you will be left? Minus 2xy minus 2 into x, y. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, na? Next thing, just a second. And next thing is left. This is what you take 2 common here. What will be left? Minus yz
I see.
plus 2 is common, taken common out, so 2xz. Clear? Now you have to basically adjust this thing in a little bit way. This will be written as it is, plus 2 as
Sir,
it
can
is.
you see the camera?
Abdul, okay, show me. Actually, that equation is a little bit long, so that's why I don't think so that I will be able to see the proper camera. So, okay, show it to me, dear. No issues. Abdul, yes. Yes, Abdul, correct. Very good, dear. Very good. It's correct.
Correct?
Correct. Absolutely correct.
ठीक है sir.
Okay. Correct. So that's a good thing that you have got the idea how to solve this question. Don't worry, Simrat. I will explain that thing to you as well, dear. Okay. Very good, Abdul. Simrat, very good to you as well because you have attempted at least. So now tell me, Simrat and Abdul, tell me, -2 is left. Yes.
Yes, sir.
In this thing, you can see that one of the thing is positive and one of the thing is negative. That's why we are getting negative before the YZ. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, na? And
Yes.
here, either both of the two are positive, either both of the two are negative. That's why I'm getting positive sign here. Yes or no?
Yes.
So in the conclusion, I can see that this is also negative, this is also negative. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, na? So in both the term which includes y, both the terms are negative. But the terms which are positive, the terms which is positive include x and z. So it means that both are positive. Because if you take suppose Simrat, if both the terms are x and z are also negative, if you put negative z, this will be positive, minus y into minus z, positive na?
Yes.
But this is not the case. Same here. Put x is minus. If this is minus, minus into minus, plus, which
Plus,
means
sir.
that
Yes.
our y is negative.
Negative.
I will take the minus sign because squaring will not let you know whether y is in positive or in negative, because y square, negative of y square is y square and positive y square is also y square. Clear?
Yes.
Very good. So I can write this thing as x into minus y. Clear? Plus sign. Minus y into z. Plus sign. 2 into xz. Okay. Clear? Now, tell me, dear, everybody. What is the value of a here?
4x square.
No. I'm asking a, not a square. I'm asking a.
4.
Simrat, this is
Sir,
a now.
4xy?
This is a. 2a.
2x.
Sorry, 2x, sorry. 2x. It's the value of a. If you put 2, Simrat, if I take 2x, if you square them, a square will be 4x square. Yes or no?
Yes.
So
Yes.
why are you saying only 2? Okay, clear? Your value of a is 2x. Take b. Value of b is negative y.
Negative y.
Value of c is z. Clear?
Yes.
Clear? Yes or no?
Clear.
Very good. So now dear, can I write this equation as this is given in the form of expanded thing and I have to shrink it? So how can it write it? This is 2x. Formula is what?
2x.
2x. This is
Minus
negative y
y
plus z
plus z. Yeah.
to the power whole square.
Square.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or
Correct.
no? Is that
Correct.
clear to you, Simrat, Abdul?
Yes.
Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
No.
I want honest answer. Like Abdul has solved, like I've got that, Abdul got the idea. But Simrat, I want honest answer from your side, dear, because if you don't get it, I'll explain it again.
Yes.
Clear, dear?
Yes.
Any doubt?
No.
Okay, that's great. So Simrat, have you got the idea how to solve this question?
Yes.
Any doubt in this?
No.
Okay.
Yes.
It's a very simple question. Like it looks like that it's very scary. Like you can see that number of terms, like 6 terms are there, but you can see that calculation is just of 3 lines.
Yes.
Yes or no? So don't get confused while you see the long expansions. Okay, so that's the quadratic equations, quadratic identities. Now let's come to the point in which cubic identities are involved. Can you tell me what is cubic?
Yes.
When
Yes,
it's raised to
everybody.
3.
Yes, power raised to 3. Very good, Simran. Yes, power is whole that you're basically that will be your whole cube.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes.
Just give me a second.
Sir, can you give the next question?
Yes, yes. Not next question. Just a second. I just need to write the first identity. Yeah. So let's write down the identity, which is our cubic identity. So I'm writing here cubic identities. Okay.
Okay.
So first one is like this thing, which is x plus y whole square. This one is also x plus y whole cube. So the expansion of this will be x cube
X cube
plus y cube plus 3 x square y plus 3 x y
X
square.
square.
Of x cube plus y cube plus 3. The first term will be square and the second term will be linear. Linear,
Y.
Simrat, linear, and Abdul, linear. Linear means power is 1.
Y is 1. Yeah. Y.
And the next term will be 3. X will be linear and y will be quadratic.
Yeah.
Clear?
Clear.
Yes.
Any doubt in this?
No.
Now, this is our first identity. Second identity is the nothing but x minus y whole square, similar thing. So x minus y whole cube. Can anybody tell me what should be the expansion of this?
Sir, cubic identity, yeah?
Yes, Abdul?
X square.
Not x cube. I'm okay.
X
One more
cube.
thing. Let me write this thing like this identity as this way as well. X cube plus 3x into y, x plus y. So you can write the identity similar to this. Okay. So x cube minus sign is there. So y is multiplying all the time. So this will be a minus y cube. Clear?
Minus y cube, yeah.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Minus 3xy into x minus y. Okay, let me write the expanded form, then I will write the shrink the form a little bit. Okay, just write.
Okay.
X minus y cube minus 3x square y plus last term will be x positive xy square. Y square term will be positive. And if we write this in this way, x minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. So Simrat and Abdul, if you multiply 3x negative of 3xy with negative of y, won't you get positive xy square? So that's why it is positive. The last term is positive. Is everybody clear to it?
Yes.
Any doubt in this, Simrat?
No.
No.
I want honest answer.
Yes.
Sure?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So let me write down some of the questions on the basis of that. The question is like you just have to write it down the expanded form. So will you give it a try if I give you 2 minutes to solve it?
Yes, sir, of course.
Okay, just a second.
Sir, it is not visible.
I'm just pasting down here. Just give me a second. I'm just taking a snap and pasting it down. So I will solve the first one so that you get the idea. And the second one you will be solved on your own. I just okay. So I'm solving first one. Okay. So next thing. So let's take this thing and solve the first one, and the second one you will be solving. Okay, first one. 3a plus 4b whole cube. Now tell me, solution is here. Tell me what is the value of x in the formula in in this question.
3A.
3a. Very good. Y value of y.
4B cube.
4b. Not 4b cube. It's only 4b.
4B.
Okay. And you have to write down the formula like this way: x plus y cube y whole cube equals to x cube plus y cube plus 3 into xy and into x plus y. Clear?
Yes.
Put the value here. Your a is 3a and y is 4b whole cube equals to, what is the value of x? 3a. So it will be 3a whole cube plus value of y is 4b whole cube. 3 into 3x plus, not plus, into 4b. 3a plus 4b. Clear? I've just nothing but I've just put the formula here.
Yes.
Okay. What is the value of 3a cube whole cube? Sorry. What is the value of 3 cube? 3 cube. Multiply the 3 times. Cube means 3 times multiplication.
Minus 3.
Why, Simrat? What's answer?
Minus 9a.
Minus 9. Why, Simrat? Why minus?
Sir, 9A.
Why 9a?
Because it's multiplying 3 times, so it's gonna be negative.
Simrat, I've told you, if the value is negative and you multiply that thing odd times, that in that case your answer will be negative. If the value is positive, you can multiply it even times or either odd times. The answer will be positive. Okay.
Okay.
Is there any
Yeah.
negative? 3 into 3. 3 3 is a 9. Yes or no?
Yes.
9 3 is 27. The cube of 3 is, if you don't know how to solve it, just write that number 3 times, or if this square is this, so you have to write 2 times, multiply them. Clear? Clear?
Yes.
Yes.
So 27 is it will be what? A cube, a square, or a? Everybody.
Yes, sir.
What will be the value of a? Like after getting cubed, what will be the value? What's the next thing?
A cube.
A cube. Very good. Because a square, if you multiply it a into 2 by 2 times, you will get a square, and if you multiply it cube, it will get cube. So 4 cube is, multiply 4 3 times. 4 into 4?
8.
4 into 4 is 8.
Now it's 16.
16
16.
into 4? 16 into 4. It is 64. Clear? 64 b cube plus 3 3 is a 9 and 9 4 is a
36.
36 ab into 3a plus 4b. Clear?
Yes.
27 a cube plus 64 b cube plus 36 into 3. Multiply 36 into 3, it will be 108. 3 6 is 18 and 1. 3 3 is 9, 108. So 108 a into a square, b will be remain as it is, plus 36 into 4. So it will be what? Can anybody tell me? It will be 1 4 4 a, because only a is there, b is 2 times, b is multiplying with this. Yes or no? It will be b
Yes.
square. So that's your expansion, that's your answer. Clear? That's how you will
Yes.
solve this. Only 3-line calculation, but be cautious while writing the answers. I didn't miss any step, so that you can understand in a better manner. I didn't skip any single step in any of the question which I've like covered so far. Clear? So don't skip that thing, because you will get confused if you skip any of the step. Clear?
Yes.
Clear.
Okay. Okay. Do the attempt the second one.
So can you explain the last line again?
Which one? Which one, Simrat?
Last part.
This one? This one?
Yeah, last.
Okay. Then let me write that down again. Let me write this down. Okay. 27 a cube will be remain as it is. 64 b cube will be remain as it is. Plus 30. This is clear, na? 3 into 3, 9, 9 4 the 36. Is this clear?
Yes.
So 36ab into 3a. This will multiply with this because bracket is there. So distributivity.
Yes.
This will get distributed to all the bracket vectors, plus 36ab into 4b. Clear?
Yes.
27a cube plus 64b cube plus 36 into 3. It's 108. Now you can see a. If you multiply a into a, it will get a square. Yes or no?
Yes.
B
Yes.
will be remain as it is because nothing is there.
Yes, sir.
Plus 36 4 times. 36 into 4 times. It will be 144. A is only single time, but B is twice time multiplying.
B twice,
so
sir.
it will
B
be
square.
AB square. Clear?
Cool.
Yeah.
Clear?
Yes.
Now doubt any?
No, sir.
No.
Can
Okay,
we
solve.
write now?
Yes. You can write and solve the second one, and giving you 2 minutes only to solve this because it's a 3-line calculation only. Give me a second. Any answer? Anybody?
Doing.
Yes, Simrat?
Doing.
Doing. Okay, dear. Okay.
Sir, can I use calculation
What, dear?
for calculating?
What for calculating what?
Can I use calculation?
No, dear. No, you cannot use calculator. In the exams, will you get calculator?
No, sir. For here, like
No.
it takes time.
Actually,
That's
say,
why.
okay, Abdul and Simrat, is that like make your habit. If you don't multiply that thing, calculate the things in your mind, so do it on the paper. Don't worry. But if you make a habit of calculator, you will get accustomed to it. And the exams, you will just think how to just like you won't be able to solve it properly. That's why I'm saying make habit of it. Do it right now. If you take 1 minute extra, I'm giving it to you. Don't worry about it. But
Okay, sir.
practice, but calculate on your own.
Okay, sir. 2 minutes extra then?
Okay, take 2 minutes extra, but at least multiply on your own. It's a very simple thing, dear. You like the value of this is very small. Because only last identity is left in this part, which is of cubic identity. So let me write the thing 5p minus 3q whole cube equals to, not equals to, I have to just find out the value of a and b first, or x and y first. That's why I have taken extra half an hour for both the classes. You can see that that's why like it's a very lengthy thing. The last topic of polynomials. So that's why I need extra time to cover it, because if I take only 1 hour class, so I won't be able to cover in the next 2 classes as well. So that's why I've thought that I should take extra time so that we can wrap up as much as possible.
After just 1 minute, I'm writing answer a little bit big so you can see.
Okay. Just give me, like, if the answer is complete.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Show me.
I'm writing
Okay. Show it. Okay. Do it. First, do it, because I want that you should multiply, calculate, divide on your own without any calculator, because you won't be having any calculator in the exam, and you will be like blank when you see this kind of calculation. So it's good to practice these things in the practice time. Yes, Abdul, like I'm not able to see it. Just give me a second. It's 125 minus 27 minus 225. Just a second. 5 3 15 into 5 3 15 into 3. Okay. Next is okay. So okay, Abdul. So let's see whether you have done it wrong, because I'm not able to like tell you whether it's proper or not. But I will like, if just take reference of my answer, you can verify from my answer. Okay. Like I've like it's looking fine. It's properly fine. So that last thing is that we can verify from my answer while I solve. Simrat, any answer?
Still doing it. Takes me time to do from my left hand.
Okay. So no issues. You should take your time. I'm giving you one more time as well. 1 more minute as well.
Okay, 1 minute.
Okay, sure. So do you have bandit right now in the right hand?
Yes.
Okay. That's not good that Simrat, you have hurt your hand at this point of time. Like exams are coming and you have to practice the things. How will
It
you
will be
manage that?
fine by Wednesday. It will
It will be
by
fine
Wednesday. Yeah.
after 1 day
Till Wednesday.
till
Yeah.
Wednesday. Wednesday, today is Monday, so it's day after tomorrow.
Yes.
Still, like you won't be able to use that hand with a very like effectively. So it'll be like you did in the past, because right now it will hurt a little bit even after like it's completely fine.
Yes.
Yeah. Take precautions, because it's like if you don't take precautions, so that will like very dangerous for you. Okay, so don't.
Sir, you can start solving until he will write.
Yes, Abdul.
You can start solving.
Yes, Abdul. Yes. Just late. Okay, no issues. Let simulate takes 1 more minute. After that, we'll be start. Simulate done, dear.
No, sir.
Okay, so at which part you are?
I'm in
Okay.
the second line.
Second line. Okay.
I'm doing calculation.
Okay. So let's do one thing is that you can solve the question simultaneously with my calculation and verify whether you have done it in a right way or not. Clear? We can do that thing. Okay. Because one identity is left with the cubic, which is you can say, which is the most tricky identity. So we can have at least 20 minutes to do that. Okay. So verify with my steps. Clear?
Okay.
Any doubts, Simran?
No.
Okay. Okay, Abdul and Simran, let's look at the point here. So in this question, you can see that it's x minus y whole cube. It's a kind of x minus y whole cube. So what's the value of x here? If I take x as
5p.
5p, very good. What is the value of y here?
Minus 3q.
Minus 3q, very good. Your formula is x minus y whole cube, which is x cube minus y cube minus, not y3, it's y cube, minus 3xy into x minus y. Okay? Clear?
Yes.
Equals to x cube. What is put the value 5p in the x cube thing. Minus y cube is minus of 3q. Yes or no?
Yes.
Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
No.
Not minus, because we have already taken minus, so minus will be taken outside. Either we can take.
Just
Okay.
positive.
Yes, yes. Because Simrat, we have already taken minus, so minus will be taken outside. Okay. We won't take 2 times minus. Minus 3 into what is the value of x is 5p.
5p.
Very good. What is the value of y?
3p. 3p.
3p.
3q. Q.
Q. 3q.
Yeah.
Clear? Into. What is the value of
5
x? Or you
5p.
can rather write y as minus q. Just take 3q because it's already in the formula minus. Okay.
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 5p
So,
minus 3q.
and 5p minus
3q.
3q. Okay, clear? 3q. 5 times 3. Like 5 is 3 times multiplying itself. 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are 125.
125.
So it's 125 p cube minus 3 is multiplying 3 times. I've told you it's 27
Yeah.
27q.
Q.
cube minus 3 into 5
45.
and 5 3s are 50. 3 into 5 15 and 15 3s are
45.
45.
35.
P into q. 5p
Now again,
minus
sir, 5p
3q
minus 3q.
equals to 125 p
PQ.
cube minus 27q cube minus 45 pq into 5p. Minus into minus, it's a positive. 45 pq into 3q. Clear?
Clear.
Yes.
It is 125 p cube minus 27 q cube minus 45 into 5. 5 5s are 25 and 20. 225 pq. 225 p into p.
P square.
Q will be as it is plus
Q.
45 3s are 5 3
35.
15 135 3 4 are 135. P will
P.
remain as it is. Q into Q,
And
Q
Q
square. Q square. Is that
Q
your
square.
answer, Abdul?
Yes, sir. Correct.
Very good. Simrat, at which part you were when you have started the thing?
Third line.
Third line. So is that correct?
Yes.
Very good. So which means that you are getting the right answer. Don't worry about it. So you can do that last line after this class. Okay. Any doubts, Simrat?
No.
Sure?
Yes.
Sure?
Yes.
Okay. So let's take the last identity which is left in this, you can say this topic. It's the, a little bit, you can say, it is third identity. It is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xy into z. Clear?
Sir,
That's, yes, Abdul?
we have to do?
No. I'm just writing. I'm writing it.
Oh.
Be a little bit patient here. So it's x. The expansion of this identity is x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus x into y minus y into z minus z into x. Clear?
Yes.
That's the expansion of this identity. Clear, Simrat and Abdul? Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Sure?
Yes.
Okay. Basically, if you multiply, you will get the same thing. Clear? If you multiply this thing, na, you will get the same thing. Clear?
Yes.
Any doubt in it?
No.
Okay, very good. Let's take the thing. Let's take one question on it so that we can able to like solve it. So after this class, you have assessment. Okay, both of you. Abdul, I will you can download the app right now if it's possible and log in with the app with your credentials. Clear?
Yeah. Sir, I'll download now. Okay, just 1
Okay.
minute.
Yeah, you download. Just it will take a minute because it's a very small app. It's not a very lengthy and bulky app. It's a very, I think, 10 to 15 MB app only. Clear? So just log in with the credential that you have got, and on the 3 lines, there are 3 lines on the mobile app on the right hand side, basically right hand side. Click on that, you will get class assessment tab. On that, you will, when you click on that, you will see the test is live. Clear?
Clear.
Very good. Let's solve this thing. Just put that thing on the download. So Simrat and Abdul, 8x cube plus y cube plus 27z cube minus 18xyz. Clear? Clear?
Yes.
Okay, so we have to do what? We have to make this thing in this manner. It's given in this manner. We have to make this formula in this thing. We have to expand it. Basically, we have to factorize this thing. These are factors, na?
Yes.
Factors, na? Two things are getting multiplied, which means that they are factor, which means we have factorized this thing.
Yes.
Okay. So 8x cube is given. Can I write this thing as 2x whole cube? Yes or no?
Yes.
Clear?
Yes.
Because as you can see that both the terms are positive, which means that these terms are positive, because if this is negative, multiplying odd times you will get the negative, but we are getting the positive, which means that both the y and z are positive. So I can write y whole cube plus what should be the value of 3 what should be the value of z whole cube, like if I write this thing in the whole cube manner.
Yes, sir.
What should I write in this bracket?
3z.
3z. Very good. Because if you, 3 cube of 3 will be 27 and z cube will be z. Very good. Minus. Take 3. Just put 2x here into 2x. Put y here into y. Put 3z here. 3z. Yes or no? Now you can see that you have got the value of a as 3x, sorry. You have got the value of b as y. You have got the value of c as 3z. Yes or no?
Yes.
When you basically write this thing in this manner, you can directly write the bracket thing just right here. Clear? No,
Clear.
it's 2x, not 3x, it's 2x. So our formula is, our identity is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. So it is x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus x into y minus yz minus zx. Clear? Now it's given like this way. Now what's the value of our, let me take this thing in a form. If I take a form, will it get affected?
No.
No,
If
sir.
I take variable in place of x, will it get affected? Because I'm taking
No.
a as because if I will get confused if I take the similar thing in x variable and y variable and z variable. I'm taking a variable thing. A cube, b cube, c cube minus 3abc, which is a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. What is the value of a?
2x.
2x.
2x. Plus, what is the value of b?
3x.
Y.
Y. What is the value of c?
3z.
3z.
3z. What is the value of a square?
2x square.
2x whole square, not square. 2x
square.
whole square. If you say 2x square, it will be like this. 2x square, only square will be on x. If you say whole square, which means that 2x whole bracket whole square. Clear? Next thing, b square. You can write it directly, write y square because
Y,
y there is no coefficient is
Yeah.
y, plus c square, which means that
3z
3z
whole cube.
3z whole square. Very good. Minus multiply a into b.
Sir, it is cube or square?
Square. Formula is square, na? I've told you, na? Square, square, square.
Okay.
Okay.
What is a into b?
2xy.
What is 2xy? Very good. 2xy.
2x
What is
or 2xy
abc?
square?
Yes, yes, Samrat.
Will it be 2xy or 2xy square?
Only 2xy. Not dear, a into b. A into b. 2xy.
Okay.
bc.
BC.
Y3z.
3yz.
Y.
Same 3yz basically. Clear?
3yz.
ac.
AC, sir, 2,
6xz.
6xz.
Because
6xz.
2, 3 is a 6. X into z, xz. Okay.
Yes.
So this will be as it is 2x plus y plus 3z into 4x whole square, 2x whole square, 4x square
4x square.
plus y square plus 3z whole square,
9z square.
9z square minus 2xy
2xy minus
minus
3
3yz minus
3xz.
6xz. That's your answer. That's
Sir,
how you will. Yes,
xz or zx?
zx or xz both is same.
I
That's
write here zx.
Yes, Abdul.
I wrote zx. Is it okay?
That's also correct. That's also correct, Abdul. If you write zx or xz, that doesn't the meaning will be same. That doesn't matter. Clear?
Clear.
Any doubt?
No.
Abdul, Simrat,
No.
the expansion I've taken, is that clear to everybody? Yes or no?
Clear, sir.
Yes.
Abdul, have you downloaded the app?
Sir,
I'm
after this,
giving-
download.
No, Abdul, because the test is of only half an hour. So if you download that thing and then after you log in, so half of the time will be just wasted.
Sir, can you
So
show me the app name? Because it is another phone. So if I download here, app name.
app name is Learnivio Student.
Student?
Yes, there's the app name in the App Store, in the Play Store. Learnivio Student.
Okay.
So you will
Download
teach
that thing.
remainder theorem in the next class?
Yes, dear.
You will teach remainder theorem in the next class?
You have remainder theorem?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so don't worry about it. If you like the remainder theorem is there in your syllabus, I will take that thing in the it's a very short thing. Don't worry about it. Only 15 to 20 minutes topic is that. Yes, yes, Simran?
It's hard.
It's hard. Okay, don't worry. I will explain it to you in a better manner. You will just you will say that's easy. Okay, don't worry about it. I thought that it's cut it's omitted from the syllabus.
No, we have.
Like some of this, basically the problem is that in the Middle East that school do not give the proper syllabus, which topic is omitted, which topic is there in the syllabus. Like in India, school, the government issues, like whether it's government or public school, they issue the proper syllabus, which topics are there in the chapter. Like in the most of the schools have, like even the schools don't share the syllabus. Like you've told me that, like you didn't know the proper chapters which were coming in your midterm, like 2 weeks before. We had a talk about this.
Yes.
Yeah. So that's the thing, that's because students don't know whether, like sometimes happen that students miss the classes as well in the school, so they don't know like which chapter, which topic is omitted and which is not. Sometimes happen. So that's the main thing. Okay, you have told me that remainder theorem is also there, so I will take that thing as well. I will take that thing. Don't worry about it. Clear?
Okay.
Don't worry about it. Yeah? Don't worry. Is there anything which is not clear to anybody which I have taken till now? Please be.
Sir.
Okay. Let me take take one more answer if it's possible, one more question, because we have 6 minutes left. If it's possible to take the last identity question.
There's one more identity?
No, not one more identity. I want to take one more question based on that identity.
Okay.
Yeah. So basically that's a proof of this identity. Let's take that thing, because it's a NCERT exercise question. So that can be your 5 marker or 3 marker. So I wish I could take this.
The proof of the identity?
Proof of this identity which we have covered till now, which we have basically have taken this.
Yeah, that's cancelled for us.
That
Yeah, we
what
don't
is
have
Simran?
that question. We don't have the proof.
Simran, it's an NCERT exercise question. It's an NCERT exercise question. So if this is an NCERT exercise, so which means that there is a chance that you will get this question. Like it's not an example or it's not a theorem. It's a question basically. It's a proper question.
Yeah,
They
there is a
randomly
chance.
cancel any questions. What can I do?
Yes, Simran.
They randomly cancel any questions.
Who cancels and randomly questions?
A teacher comes in a class and then when she's teaching, she just says this question is cancelled.
Okay, so basically identity is there, na? So there can be this question like this is given and you have to prove this. Yes or no? So let's take the thing here. X plus, I will give you the hint. You have to solve this on your own. I will give you the hint.
The hard one you are solving on us.
Okay, no issues. I'm telling you the proper basics concept. Okay, don't worry, Abdul. If you are not able to solve, I'm here now. I will solve it for you. Why are you so scared about it, Abdul?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Don't worry about it. I'm here. I'm like, if you have any doubt on any of the chapter, in any concept, I am here. Why are you so scared about it? Just at least give it a try. If you are not able to solve it, so that's not a problem. In the learning phase happens, these things happens.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
You can, yeah.
So now can anybody tell me, here everything has cube. Everything has cube. So if I take cube on both sides, can I take cube on both the sides? In the maths allows us to play.
Yes, sir.
Math says if you take square root or cube root, you have to take on both the sides. It's the property of maths. Like it allows us to play with it. Yes or no? So if I take square root on both the side, yes or no?
Yes.
Why is everybody silent?
Yes, sir.
So will I get the value as cube of the XYZ?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, no?
Yes.
So now after that, just a second. So everybody, so after that, if you get the value of cube here, or you can take this thing as x plus y take Z on the right hand side, it will get negative, and take cube on the both sides. Is it possible? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Abdul and Simrat,
Yes.
can I do this? Yes or no?
Yes.
This is your what? This is a plus b whole cube formula.
Yes.
This is only z cube. The value of z minus z whole cube, will it be negative z cube or positive z cube?
What?
Positive, sir.
I'm saying that negative of z whole cube, will it be positive or negative if I cube it?
Negative.
Negative,
Why?
sir.
Because it's
It's
multiplied
because
3
the
times.
negative term has the power odd times. Odd
Yes.
power 3. So
Yeah.
it will give the answer in negative.
Negative.
So it will be x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y minus not minus, plus 3xy square equals to minus z cube. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Can I write this thing as x plus y whole cube, x cube whole cube plus 3x into y, x plus y equals to minus z cube. Now everybody tell me, x plus y, before cubing, I have written this thing in this manner, yes or no? After that I've cubed, now I've taken cube on both the sides. So x plus y is equals to negative of z, yes or no? Can I write negative of z in place of x plus y?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
So x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into minus of z, and this will come on the right hand side, it will be positive of z cube equals to 0, and x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus term is there, minus positive, negative positive will be negative 3xyz equals to 0. Now we have proved this thing. I've given you the random, like I've given you the blueprint type thing. You just have to solve it properly. Like I've written down the things, like it's a like 2 to 3 lines will be more in the proof, and if you write it properly. Got it? These are the calculating part which is there in the proof. Clear?
Yes.
Any doubt?
No.
Sure?
Yes.
Okay. So that's all for this class, dear. Thank you so much, both of you, for coming to this class, and we have to end this class here. So Simrat, only remainder theorem is there. So Abdul, do you have remainder theorem as well in your syllabus?
No, sir.
Okay, so don't worry. It's a small topic we can cover with both of you. Don't worry about it. So it's not a very lengthy topic. I'll try to cover that in the half of the class time. So that's all for this class here. Thank you so much for coming to the class, and we have to end this class right